My name is Alfredo Häberli. I'm industrial designer. I run my studio since more than 20 years here in Zurich. Receiving these keywords, precision and poetry, from BMW, I was totally happy because I realized that in my whole design career I was working exactly on these two keywords.
We've only given him 2 words as a briefing because we wanted to have this dialogue. How does he interpret our design philosophy? How does he see the world of mobility in the future?
Good design has to have a soul. It has to talk to me like a piece of art, like a sculpture, like a painting. You see my studio, it's completely full of objects. My home, it's more or less the same. I need the objects around me. I need that as a source of inspiration. I transfer it to something new. Especially nowadays, by having this extremely digital world, I think we need more sensitivity, tactility, and I try to implement that in all the projects I'm doing.
What's special about working with Alfredo is, first of all, his humor. And the other thing is really that kind of soul in his work. And I find that it's been, like, as Alfredo said, food for the heart. It's great. That's why we do design.
When I start a project, thousands of images come to my mind, and I then immediately start to sketch a lot, books full of sketches, and then one day an idea comes very clearly through, and this is one of the most beautiful moments. What I was most interested in was mobility of the future and luxury. But I don't want to do that with one vehicle. I want to create the whole context around it. I try with few lines to give a three-dimensional shape to the mobility of the future. It should not be a car, not a plane, and not a ship. It should be something totally new.
We are looking forward to the result. We are excited, and also as creative people, I think just working with a little bit of unknown has its own kind of interest. And I mean, it's part of the fun.
I think my handwriting is the endless lines that I always have in my designs. It's a very Häberli, the shape.
Alfredo is staying on his territory of design expertise. We are remaining on our territory. What comes out of it is the closest that we have ever gotten in a collaboration to a vehicle.
I always wanted to design a vehicle. It was mostly a car, but also a sailboat, and there is something from both in it. I think it's one of the most important projects that I did in my design career, and I'm very proud for that.